Forgiveness comes from your heart, and in this meditation, we are going to focus on our heart chakra and its green light. Before I begin, I want you to know where your heart chakra is located. It is at the center of your chest. The best part of guided meditation is that you hardly get distracting thoughts. But even if they do appear, then let them come in. It's okay. It does not influence the results that you are going to gain from this meditation. So now find a quiet place and sit comfortably. Relax yourself. Close your eyes. Your back should be straight. You can sit in a meditation pose where you can place your hands on your knees. Now I want you to relax completely. Don't think about what's going on outside. So we will start with taking a few deep breaths. So inhale from your nose. Let your belly fill up with air and then release from your mouth. And we are going to do it again. Inhale and exhale. One last time. Inhale and exhale. Now imagine there is a green light ball in front of you. If you have a problem in imagining a green ball of light, imagine your deity to whom you worship and focus on their heart chakra. Their heart chakra is opening up. Imagine the green ball of light in their heart chakra. A beam of light from this green ball is coming towards your heart chakra to heal you. The light beam is getting bigger and stronger. It's a healing light. It is helping you to heal your heart, to heal all those things that are burden in your heart. Now I want you to imagine any particular situation or anything for which you are not able to forgive yourself. It could be about those people from whom you seek forgiveness. And now I want you to ask yourself some questions. First of all, why did you do this? Was it really your fault? Was it really necessary at that time? Had this thing helped you or anyone else in any whichever way? I want you to look at the positive side of all those things for which you are feeling guilty. ask yourself, did it help you becoming more humble? Did it help them becoming more humble? Did it taught you something meaningful? Did it taught them something meaningful? And if you still are feeling guilty because it has really harmed anyone, then ask for forgiveness. Imagine the person from whom you are seeking forgiveness next to this green light ball or your deity and ask for their forgiveness. Tell them that you are very sorry for what you did. And tell this to yourself that you are now going to understand others and forgive others also, because you know how it feels when you can't forgive yourself. Now I want you to look at the green ball of light. The healing green light is still coming towards your heart chakra. You are almost bathing in that green light. It is empowering you. It is all around you. It is protecting you as a shield. Stay with this light and feel that you are now forgiving yourself. Your body is getting lighter and lighter. This light is helping you to forgive yourself. Your deity is helping you to forgive yourself. Now you are completely free from that guilt. The green light is blessing you. Your deity is blessing you. You are completely free from your guilt. You are not going to blame yourself anymore. You are happy and a free soul now. Whatever happened was meant to happen just like the way it did. It is your time to move on from that guilt. I want you to think what you have learned from these experiences. Now you know how to forgive yourself and forgive others also. Remember, it is easy to forgive yourself. and it is easy to forgive others. Now I want you to give thanks to this green ball of light or your deity to help you in forgiving yourself. Express your gratitude to this green ball of light and your deity. Now the green light is disappearing. Your deity or the green ball of light is dimming, leaving you completely free from your guilt. You have now forgiven yourself completely. You can open your eyes now. Hope you are feeling good after this meditation. I suggest you keep doing this meditation. The results of meditation are long lasting, but only if you keep doing it, then you see those long lasting results.